So right now I'm gonna show you how I will install the application from this Android watch. So I just open the Play Store and I choose the YouTube app to install in this Android watch. It's because I don't have yet, or it doesn't have YouTube app in this watch. But there's a bunch of application that is already installed in this watch, such as TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp. So I want to try also and to see how the YouTube app work in this Android watch. Since this is my first time to have this Android watch, it's like a new thing for me. Okay, so let's see how gonna work. So as you can see right now, there's a bunch of applications that you can install in this watch. Okay, you can install Messenger, Netflix, Mobile Legends, Chrome, whatever you want, as long as the capacity of the storage is good. Alright, so I'm using Wi-Fi right now, but also you can use data, since this watch you can install or you can put a SIM card right on the side. Okay. So installing. Let's wait for a moment to happen. Alright, so open. And it takes some time. Alright, so there you go. We're already in the app, YouTube app. So we're gonna scroll and I want to check my channel. It's been a while, guys, so I know. So let's see. Search. Whoop. There you go. So hi. Alright. So I want to check which video I want to play here right now. So probably the short video, this one. Let's check. Looks good. All right. So I'm just trying this watch right now and just want to see the impression for this one, and I think so far it works good. All right, guys.